It's good that I went for this little walk, but it's so dark out that I can't see shit. My worst fear would be if something were to come right out of the darkness and scare the pants out of me. Hey, I think I see the rest stop just up ahead. Ahem. Who the hell are you?
Motherfucker, I am your worst nightmare.
What are you going to do with that thing?
I am just here to cut down some Cartoon Network trees. And looks like you make the best tree for the job.
No, stop. Get away. Please, just fuck off.
God damn it! Where the fuck did I put that bottle opener? My hands are too small to open this bottle by myself. What's a guy got to do to get a decent beer around here? Hey, what happened to the lights? I know I paid my electricity bill. Hey, what the fuck is that?
I am the Electricity Phantom. I was created by the city of Adult Swim to wreak havoc on Cartoon Network, traveling through light bulbs whenever the lights go out. And you, sir, were at the wrong place at the wrong time. Hey Jack, we just took out a couple more of these fuckers.
Now, let's get you set up for a victim. Thanks, Damien, but I don't need your help with picking a target. I'm going after at you next. Maybe that son of a bitch knows who killed my girlfriend. Suit yourself, but I hope you hurry the fuck up with finding Aku. I heard he's not easy to find these days. I know him all too well. He can't hide from me.
Super Cow, it's number one. I've just spotted Samurai Jack with the Electricity Phantom and a guy with a maroon shirt. I believe this guy might be fugitive Damien Waters. Just hang in there, I'm on my way. In the meantime, pick up the sniper rifle and eliminate one of these bastards.
Okay, so we all know where each of us is going to strike, right? Well then, let's move out. Holy shit! What the fuck just happened? Hey, in the bush! It's number one of the kids next door! Get him!
Oh fuck! Stop right there! Damien Waters, Electricity Phantom, leave number one alone!
Super Cow, you stay the fuck out of our business! This is between us and the kid.
Oh no, it's not. When you kill people in this town, like when you killed poor James Jackson over 30 years ago, it's always my fucking business.
Looks like I have some trees to cut down right in front of me.
Waters, put down that chainsaw right this instant.
Fuck you, Cartoon Network scum. You can't make me.
Well, I gave you a chance to surrender, and you chose to cause destruction. Now we're going to stop you. George, attack!
This is for my wife, you son of a bitch! How the fuck are you still alive? I could have sworn I killed you. But you didn't. You just put me in the hospital and through 3 months of rehab. I've had it with you and your family. Mr. Phantom, kill the spaceman.
With pleasure, boss. Oh no you don't. Eat my lip, motherfucker!
God damn it! Why, you meddling frog! I'll show you! I'm gonna shred you up into little tiny frog legs! And then after I'm done with you, I'm gonna burn this city to the fucking ground!
Glad I could get some assistance. Is everybody alright? Yes, number one, it's all good here. Thank you for eliminating the threat of Damien Waters.
After 32 years, I can finally rest knowing that my wife's killer will now be burning in hell.
Well, I've seen enough war and violence for one night. I say we all go to Pop's Diner for a good meal.
That would be great. Desserts on me.
Yeah, let's go!